Hey, welcome in. Today I'm going to show you the most affordable and least expensive healthcare and why I love it. For one, it's made for independent workers, the self-employed 1099, and also for employees that can't get sponsored insurance. Another great thing about this, it has 24/7 telemedicine with a $0 copay. So you see here on the screen, DAC Healthcare by Clearwater, high quality healthcare up to 60% savings. Upgrade your healthcare and save. It's that simple. I'm going to play this video here in just a second, but we will also go through this down below and detail the benefits and how you can get started. The other cool thing about it is that open enrollment is all year. Unlike other ones, you go through healthcare.gov or other locations. Maybe you're going through Apple Health. Perhaps you're trying to do something with Molina and you have coverage, but you have a specific date that you need to enroll, like November and December, where this is year round. And probably you're unsure if you'll be able to qualify and if you will be eligible for that and other plans. So right here, I'm going to play this video so you can hear it and we can go from there.
If you're absolutely thrilled with your current health insurance provider and the healthcare system in general, you can stop watching now. However, if you're like most Americans today, feeling like you overpay for crummy coverage, keep watching. You've probably had a few sleepless nights worrying about what'll happen if you suddenly needed urgent medical care. And if you're a small business owner or independent contractor, don't make the mistake of thinking this video isn't applicable to you. In most cases, it's worse for you. As an entrepreneur, most healthcare options are simply inaccessible to you, either because you don't meet the laundry list of conditions for government plans, or because private insurance is not only confusing, but even more expensive. So where does that leave you? If you don't have the time and resources to research it all yourself, we can help. At Clearwater, we believe in better benefits for all, so we've built the benefits platform for independent workers and the companies that empower them. We'll help you find the best plan, including plans not found anywhere else, at the best price, and make it easy and simple for you to get the benefits you deserve, with an average savings of $8,000. Contact us to find your own unbelievably better benefits.
So there is that. And another thing too that's alarming is that 30% of independent workers have no health plan, which is huge. And so let's go down here and check out more, but I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to check this out. It'll be again there so for you to get started. Here it says care coordination service, expanded PPO network, save money each and every month, $0 telemedicine, mental health care included with one of the biggest in the space through Talkspace. And you have low cost prescriptions. Plans offer competitive prescription pricing, patient prescription programs to help with specialty medications. And some plans even have $0 generics. So if there's something more specific that you need in terms of medication and you were unable to get it through another provider or it was limited or you couldn't get it as fast, this is going to expand that network and really be able to help you solve those issues, some of them, and also look to see if it's still in your best interest to do if available. So down here, you see healthcare that is affordable, giving you access to the doctors you want, high quality healthcare that fits your budget and needs. And that's what we're all looking for, is something that we can manage and not have to go year after year without healthcare because it's too expensive for you to afford. Open enrollment, get started with a plan that suits you anytime, designed for self-employed and 1099 employees. But again, it's available for W-2 employees too. You can always learn more, and we'll go into the next steps here soon. The Clearwater difference, 10K average annual family savings, 90% doctors and specialists in network, 300 plus 5-star Google reviews. And now let's play this video so you can hear it.
We talk a lot at Clearwater about our three main goals for our customers. The first is saving money, their fixed expense. The second is a better network of doctors and healthcare options. And the third is reducing the risk of what happens if something serious happens. So we have literally hundreds of stories that are so powerful where those three themes have happened. One of my favorite stories from the first goal, saving money, is a realtor in Dallas who saved $18,000 a year on their plan. Now, not everyone saves that much, but this was a huge savings for this person. Single father with kids, spending, I believe, almost $3,000 a month for the previous plan. They took that savings, invested in their business, and actually doubled their sales. So not only was the plan better, not only did they have a better network of doctors, not only did they owe less in the case of something serious, they took that savings and it dramatically impacted their revenue, their sales. And we love when that happens, when we feel like we're a part of a business solution, not just the health solution. And we have a lot of stories. The average savings is $10,000. That's across all 50 states with thousands of people. But we're very excited to hear when people actually take that savings and we get to hear those stories. And we literally have hundreds of various stories of what people have done with that savings, from paying off debt, investing in their business, putting money in a college fund. But whatever they do with the savings, we're proud to see that go to see a better plan, and they save money in the process. In terms of a better network, we have actually someone at our company who unfortunately got cancer this year, and previously was on a plan with a very, what we call a skinny network, not a lot of options for doctors. And with our plan, it's an open network. So they can go to any surgeon, any cancer specialist that they want to, and owe the same amount of money. And they went to an initial doctor, had a very basic diagnosis, and through our service, they had a free second opinion. On that second opinion, they found it's a much more aggressive type of cancer. The first doctor really got it wrong. So they were able to go to one of the best cancer hospitals in the country because that was an option to them. And she would say that actually saved her life, and she's now cancer-free today. So not only was she spending less for a traditional plan on the exchange, because of this second opinion service, because of a better network of going to the best cancer specialist, she saved money on the monthly, she owed less on the maximum that was owed, and she got a better access to doctors. That was very, very exciting. A third testimony story that's really, really powerful was someone who was going to actually owe about $50,000. They had 3 surgeries in 1 year. And if they had been on their previous plan, went back and looked at the numbers, they would have actually spent over $50,000 out of pocket. Instead, this person only spent $1,000 total. So she was paying less each month. She had a wider network of doctors like everyone, but when it came to what does she owe beyond that monthly expense, she saved $50,000.
So you see there the amazing work that's been done. And I'll let you watch the rest of it if you would like down below. Again, the link will be there to at least check this out, and you can see the rest of it. But because of time as well, I want to make sure we go through the rest of this. So down here, ready to build your own plan, transparent pricing, customizable plans, and a free online quote tool. Get started today. And I can't say enough about the help that it has done for many people and how many lives that's changed. And the savings is ridiculous, because then you can put that back into your business or however you so choose. If you decided to go on vacation, spend more time with your family and or friends, and take more time off for yourself to take care of your health and your mindfulness, and really calibrate and get back to the swing of things in life. So up here, before we go into everything else, there's also other parts of this division, which I'll get into in a second. But to get started, you can schedule a call here. And it says, ready to discuss your customized plan and get a quote. Step 1, receive an online quote. Step 2, you speak live with the plan expert, Step 3, you order your coverage. Step 4, you reap the benefits. So simple information to fill out right there, and you will go through the process. Now, there's another part to this, which is pretty cool. So we saw the individual plans. If we go over to employer plans, here it says custom health solutions for all company sizes, clear savings. Leverage their industry expertise to access high quality benefits at cost-effective prices, all while enjoying unparalleled service. You can book a discovery meeting, quality benefits for companies of all sizes, and you can see here the organization now has access to some of the most innovative plans in the market and dedicated consultants who provide insight, education, and solutions regardless of your company size. See below to understand where your organization fits. So up to 25 employees, and you see 25 to 1,000 employees, and you can go through either one of these. And then why choose Clearwater? Huge savings up to 4,000 per employee annually, comprehensive coverage, nationwide PPO network, as we went to a little bit earlier, minimal co-pays for doctors, diagnostics, and prescriptions, telemedicine at no extra cost, health solutions at your fingertips. It's pretty amazing stuff. Significant out-of-pocket savings, cut expenses by 60 to 80%, mental health support, virtual solutions for your employees' well-being. And then it says here, let the dedicated consultants be your external benefit coordinator, streamlining the process and freeing up your leadership bandwidth. Then simple next steps. You can learn a little bit more. Here's what is done, the custom plan, ongoing support, which is really amazing. There for you to take care of you when you need it most. Healthy workforce, improved performance, more time for you. And then we'll go through a few of these other tabs and go from there. You see the flat fee RX, which is really amazing. And this is something else of its own. And the flat fee RX here, welcome to the nation's first flat fee pharmacy program where most all prescriptions are free. That's a great addition to have. And if we go down here, a flat monthly membership equals free prescriptions for everyone. Prescription drugs prices, have skyrocketed over the last few years to the point people can no longer afford them, which is true. It's huge right now. You shouldn't have to choose between feeding your family or taking your medications. DAC's new flat fee pharmacy program, partnered with My Free Pharmacy, has created a new concept where you can actually pay a monthly flat fee and then pay nothing for your prescriptions. That is big. And for you, you're probably paying quite a bit, a handful, and what you're doing more for those prescriptions, if you're on more than one, that adds up quickly over a year. Through strategic partnerships and their buying power, we can get you access to the most used generic medications for free. So they can help you get access to those most used generic medications for free. And then get 800 plus of the most prescribed medications for free. On the left-hand side here, members can get 90% of the most prescribed acute, immediate need medications. Examples, you see a few of them right there on the bottom. And then on the right-hand side, members can get 90% of the most prescribed chronic maintenance medications, and then some of the examples right there. Get access to free medication at your local pharmacy or delivered right to your home. And you see this here. I won't play that video for time as well, but you can check this out. Again, I'll leave the link down below for you to go through. Flat fee pharmacy is a game changer. How much are you spending? You can kind of go and look at that part. E-prescriptions make it easy for providers to electronically send prescriptions to your local pharmacy or home delivery service, with orders going out as soon as the same day. Members can get a 90-day prescription for literally $0 shipped to your home for free. That is insane. Accepted at 64,000 pharmacies nationwide, including Walgreens, CVS Pharmacy, Walmart Pharmacy, Rite Aid, and you see Albertsons. Questions about prescriptions? Their customer service team is here to help in any way that they can, from looking up medications to educating new customers and even transferring your existing prescriptions for you. So I'll leave all of this down below in the description for you to go through, and you can go through each one of these tabs on the program, how it works, subscribe today, to drug search, FAQs, member portal, and then healthcare division. And we'll just go back here so you see how this looked like from the start. So great way to get started. Don't leave this behind. Get in as soon as you can. Get into something more affordable where you will be taken care of all year round and not have to move too fast to get something completed, because if you don't, you miss that open enrollment. And for the low cost prescriptions and for the amount that you would be getting and the amount of support that comes with it, it is huge and it's not something to miss out on. So that is everything from me. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and click that bell notification icon so you do not miss any future content I'll be coming out with. That is all for now. Talk soon.